Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are fine and taking good care of yourself. I am Miss Habiba Naeem, your English teacher. Let's start our lesson. Open your Oxford Progressive English Book 6. Let's start our lesson. It's unit number 5 and the topic is the Odyssey. It is the story of Odysseus, who was returning home with his men after the Trojan War. The journey home took him 10 years. On his long journey, he experienced many amazing adventures and dangers. One of these dangers was the music of the sirens. The sirens were half bird and half woman. They were ugly, but they produced the most beautiful music. As ships sailed by, the music of the sirens cast a spell on the sailors, who followed the sound of the singing to the island where the creatures lived. It was an island of death. Odysseus was warned about danger of sirens. He filled the ears of his men with beeswax so that they were deaf to the sounds of the sirens. Then his men tied Odysseus tightly with rope to the ship's mast because he was not sure to be strong enough to resist the sirens. When Odysseus heard the music, he tried to break free from his ropes as he was filled with a longing desire to follow the sounds. But his men tied him even more tightly. At last, they passed the danger and the music faded. They continued safely on their journey home. Now, find the meanings of these words in the dictionary and use them in your sentences. And the words are calm, mast, deaf, longing, fade, and warm. Dear students, read the chapter thoroughly and try to find the answers of the given question. After that, check your answers by comparing them with the notes which I will provide you. Question number 1 is, what did the goddess Circe warn Odysseus about? Question number 2 is, what did Odysseus do with the large piece of beeswax and why did he do this? Question number 3 is, how can you tell that Odysseus was not sure whether he was strong enough to resist the sirens' music? Question number 4, what happened when Odysseus heard the music? Question number 5, who were the victors and who were the losers in this story? Dear student, it's time to start the Grammar Tree Book 6. Dear students, our topic of grammar tree is adjectives. Listen the definition of adjective. An adjective qualifies a noun, telling us something specific about it. An adjective is describing word and placed next to the noun it describes. Examples are, Pakistan is a large country. Murree is a famous hill station. In first example, word large is an adjective, and in second example, famous is also an adjective. Remember that different adjectives perform different functions. Now let's see. First is qualitative adjective. A qualitative adjective describes the size, shape, color, or attribute of a person or thing. For example, why have you given me a broken pencil to write with? In this sentence, broken is an adjective. Next comes quantitative adjective. A quantitative adjective describes the amount or quantity of uncountable nouns and the number of uncountable nouns. Like, The examination was taken by 78 candidates. In this example, 78 is quantitative adjective. Then comes possessive adjectives. Like possessive pronouns, possessive adjectives also specify ownership or relationship, but they do not replace the noun as possessive pronouns do. A possessive adjective appears together with the noun standing before it. Listen the example. The striking workers placed their demands before the management. In this example, this word there is possessive adjective. Then comes interrogative adjectives. The three most commonly used interrogative adjectives are whose, which, and what. Interrogative adjectives appear together with the nouns. They qualify and stand before them. They are used to form questions as well. Listen the examples. Whose shoes are these? Which book did you like reading the most? What reason are you going to give for being absent? In these examples, whose, which, and what. These are interrogative adjectives. Like demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative adjectives also point at something or someone and help the listeners to understand exactly what or whom the speaker is talking about. Listen the example. I think you were looking for these papers, weren't you? In this example, this word these is demonstrative adjective. Thank you, dear students. May God bless you. Amen.